it's me Resham and I'm back with something big from Cryptojobs.com, the go-to platform for hiring in Web3 and crypto. Today we're excited to introduce the Web3 industry's first ever recruiter management system purposefully designed by Cryptojobs.com to empower independent recruiters and recruitment agencies in the Web3 space. Whether you manage multiple companies or a fast-growing Web3 talent pool, our recruiter management system gives you the tools to do it all right here on Cryptojobs.com. Let's take a closer look. When you go to register as a company, you'll now see an extra option. You can check this box to let us know that you're a recruiter. As soon as you check it, a new field appears asking you to select a time slot for a quick call with our team. You can also leave any additional notes here. This step helps us verify and maintain the quality of recruiters on the platform. Once you're verified and signed in, you'll land on the recruiter dashboard, which you can see is a little different from your normal company dashboard with a section for client profiles at the top. Here you can see both company profiles and talent profiles. Now when you click on the Client Companies tab, you'll see a list of all the companies that you have added under your profile as a recruiter. Click on any company name and you'll see its full profile, the company info, contact details, and any notes. This company profile info can be used when you post a job on their behalf, but we'll get to that later. Now when you go to post a job, you'll see a drop down where you can select the client company. Once selected, the rest of the form is similar to any other job posting. If you enable this toggle, you can show the About the Company section here as well to make your job post more comprehensive. Another thing to note is that all public posts will show your recruiter company's name instead of the company where the job is going to be, keeping your client companies private. Back in your dashboard, you can also see how many client companies you're allowed to add based on your subscription, and you can always add more as you need. Now let's move over to client talents. If talent management is a part of your subscription and you've enabled it in your plan, you'll see a separate tab for talents. Click on Client Talents and you'll see a list of all the candidates that you are managing as a recruiter. You can create and manage their profiles, update details, and with their permission, even make their profiles publicly visible on Cryptojobs.com. Now let's say you want to apply for a job for a client talent. Head over to any job, click Apply, and you'll be able to select one of your listed talents. From there, you can fill out the rest. Job type, location, cover letter, just like a standard application. To track these, head to the Client Talent Applications tab where you'll see all job applications submitted on behalf of your talents. You can view each one, withdraw if needed, or just monitor their progress. Now let's talk about how Cryptojobs.com enables you to handle notifications for your clients. As a recruiter, you act as the central point of contact. So any messages, whether for a client company or a talent, directly come to you. Click on Manage Notifications for any client. Here you can activate or deactivate certain alerts. Maybe your client doesn't want to be notified about withdrawals. That's up to you. You can customize each message, add recipients, edit the subject, change the wording, and even preview it before it goes out. Under Notification Dispatches, you'll see a full log of all the messages that were sent out to each client. Super useful for tracking communication history. The same applies to client talents. You can decide which messages they receive and customize those too. For example, once a talent completes their onboarding form, you'll get a notification, and you choose if and how you want to pass it on. And that's the Recruiter Management System by Cryptojobs.com. The first of its kind in the Web3 space. At Cryptojobs.com, we're all about making hiring in crypto faster, smarter, and more connected. And this new model puts recruiters right at the center of the ecosystem. Whether you're scaling teams or placing top-tier talent, we're giving you the platform to do it seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, keep hiring, and we'll see you on Cryptojobs.com.